Greetings. I greet you all. Today's declaration and affirmation is I'll live long to fulfill my destiny. I did not stop anybody. No man will stop me. I declare long life for you. And as I decree, so shall it be. It's now I want us to talk about this very question. Somebody asked, is it advisable to care amosu or is it better to chuaja amosu? Like what this person is trying to say is this: is it better to appease witchcraft spirit, or is it more advisable to tie witchcraft spirit? Now, I'm going to answer this question, but I want you to understand that both of them works very well depending on the condition, that the person is, depending on what brought about the witchcraft manipulation in that person's life. One is this: if you come to your family, if you see, if a spiritual person tell you that there is witchcraft manipulation in your life, I think it is not a bad idea for you to know where that is coming from. It's good for you to know. Do you understand me? The reason is because there are some that you need to appease, and there are some that you need to tie, and there are some that you need to disconnect yourself from, the point where they connected you with their, evil activities. Do you understand me? So at first, if in your family there is an ancestral altar, that was raised by your ancestors that you people are no longer recognizing, the thing can be, affecting you as a witch. Do you understand? The thing can be, disturbing you as a witchcraft spirit, because all these spirits, do you understand? All these spirits, once you are no longer in good time with these spirits, they can switch from the positive reasons why you brought them to negative, thereby causing witchcraft activities in your life. So these are the kind of witchcraft spirits that you need to appease. These are the kind of witchcraft spirit that you need to appease. If it is foundational, you need to appease it. Now, that is to chuaja. You need to chori aja. Now, if it happens that something was done against your family, something was invoked into your place, into your compound. You understand me? Something was buried or was invoked into your compound, and that thing carries some witchcraft powers. Do you understand me? You don't need to tie and you don't need to choaja, because this is something that somebody did in order to get at you, to hurt you, or to stop you from moving from one place to another in your destiny, or in your career, or in your life. So this one, what you need to do is that you don't even need to tie them. You don't even need to choaja. That is appease them. What you need is to go and disconnect, remove that thing. There are people that this one is their work. Now, if at all that, there are some people that they have witchcraft spirit in them, or they have pot of witch. You know what? There's what they call itamosu. There's what we call pot of witch. When these are the kind of witchcraft that you can say, let me go and tie. If somebody has witchcraft altar, or somebody have witchcraft pot that the person is using to monitor you or to invoke you, you understand me? You need to do what? To tie them so that they cannot see you again. But you see that one that they buried in your place, that somebody buried just to frustrate your family, what you need to do to that one is to do what? To remove it. If it is something that has to do with your foundation, that is when you can say, okay, let me go and appease. I hope it is very, very clear. So appeasement is good. and the sacrifice is good, and disconnection is also good, but it depends on the condition. It depends on the condition. It depends on how the existence of the witchcraft spirit, you understand, how the thing came. So that is what will determine the solution, because I believe if you find out the roots of your problem, you will also find the solution. Thank you so much, and remain blessed. If you have any question, do not hesitate to send me a DM. Thank you, and remain blessed. Bye.